Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We will guide you through the process of scheduling an email in Gmail. This feature is extremely handy when you want to compose an email, but send it later at a specific time. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. We'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, but you can choose any browser of your choice. Next, in the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. This will take you to your Gmail inbox. Look at the options on the left side of your screen. Click on the Compose button. This option allows you to create a new email. Now let's create a demo email. You can see how we fill in the two subject and content fields. Make sure to customize these steps as per your needs. The next step, scheduling this email. Take a look at the send button at the bottom. Notice that there's a small arrow on the right side of the send button. Hover over it and you'll see it says More Send Options. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose Schedule Send. A pop-up will then appear named Schedule Send. It offers suggestions like tomorrow morning, this afternoon, and Monday morning. This time we'll apply a custom schedule. For that, click Pick Date and Time at the bottom. This allows you to select a specific date and time for sending an email. For this example, we'll choose August 2nd at 8 a.m. Once you're satisfied with your date and time selection, click on the blue Schedule Send button. Congratulations, your email is now scheduled. If you wish to review your scheduled emails, just click on Scheduled from the left side menu. Here, you'll find all your scheduled emails, which you can cancel, edit, or reschedule as desired. That's it. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.